what do you think of that? Medley, played by the Edison Military Band.
Acknowledgements. The authors would like to recognize the invaluable contributions to the development of this guide by the following individuals. Cap. Kenneth Long participated in both panel reviews and provided useful suggestions and comments. His meticulous work was greatly appreciated by all. Cap. Peter Toanes reviewed and provided substantive comments about the chapter Swimming for Fitness. Mr. Jeremy Levine and Ms. Brandy Schober provided information about strength training. Importantly, we were extremely fortunate to receive valuable input from several SEALs throughout the development of this guide. Ans Francis Frankie and BM1 George Vernia participated in the first panel review, and their suggestions were incorporated in the second draft of the manual. BM1 Vernia helped organize and participated in the second and final panel review. Other SEAL panel reviewers included CW03 John Shellnut, Master Chief Bob Bender, LCDR Pat Butler, and BMCS Dwayne Noel. Each one of these SEALs provided suggestions and practical recommendations which were instrumental in the finalization of the Navy SEAL Physical Fitness Guide. The Navy SEAL Physical Fitness Guide, about the authors Cap. Frank K. Butler, Jr., MD, developed the chapter SEAL Mission-Related Activities. He is currently the Biomedical Research Director for the Naval Special Warfare Command, Chairman of the U.S. Special Operations Command Biomedical Initiatives Steering Committee, and a staff ophthalmologist at the Naval Hospital, Pensacola, Florida. He obtained his undergraduate degree from Georgia Institute of Technology in 1971, with high honors. His medical degree is from Medical College of Georgia, 1980. Dr. Butler's family practice internship was at the Navy Regional Medical Center, Jacksonville, Florida, 1980 to 1981, and his ophthalmology residency was at the National Naval Medical Center, Bethesda, MD, where he was chief resident, 1988 to 1989. He completed his undersea medical officer training from the Undersea Medical Institute, Groton, CT, 1981. Cap. Butler has been a platoon commander for Underwater Demolition Team 12 and SEAL Team 1, and a diving medical research officer at the Navy Experimental Diving Unit. He has published extensively and been a frequent guest lecturer on the subject of closed-circuit diving and special warfare.